Guys, wow, we are walking in the streets of Nairobi. We are going to pick up mail and just zunguka.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls.
Hi guys, I'm in town picking up my post packages. Oh my god, vlogging in town is awkward. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up my packages and poster and other stuff.
Them I come, them I want, them I take her. Bad man, me I come in, me I wanna take her. Girls, them I come, them I want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give a neck.
So Ella, guess who came to visit? Ella. And David made us. Is it David's name? Huh? Toasted bread. Yeah, toasted bread. It's gone up on his YouTube channel. Yum yum. Ella cool. Today David made food. Wow, it's chicken is tamu.
But just another nigga, I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar.
We're in the streets. Babiala, Anajidai princess. Acha mkuu mkubwa. Sasa. Leo mkuu mkubwa ule mwingine saa hii ni mkubwa pia. Aya, me bye. David ambia Ella bye. Ella? Ambia David bye. 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 Bye, Mama. Bye. Hi, David to enter. My part
in a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say
drinking my own mint pie. So I'm gonna be trying making apple pie. This is my first time. My dear friend sent me the recipe, so I'm gonna try the recipe. I'm hoping it turns out good. My oven is already preheated. Okay, so we're gonna be doing this. I think it's preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. We'll see. So I'm gonna prepare it and we'll just transition because I don't want to say how to and fail. Okay, so 1 2 3 go. Butter, I have to double check, and oats. So yeah, and what else? Set my oven to 200 degrees. And Kemunto can't nini a recipe. I forgot, and I didn't peel off the nini for the apple. So I'm just starting, guys. I'm not gonna give you instruction because this is my first time also. So I want to make it fast. Then if it's good, I'll show you in a coming recipe. Okay. Okay, so I'm just showing you the process. Pouring this apple pie into the pan, and then in the pan just pour it. I'm using one hand. guys. I said I'm not gonna show you, but I just felt like this one is gonna tokea poa. So I'm using these crumbles, flour crumbles, and butter and oats, and putting it on top of my crust. Tunakuja mbali, tunatokelezea, guys. I've never tasted apple pie, so we'll see. So like colorful, and then I'll put it in the pan. Okay, I'll put my apple pie in the oven that I've already set to 200 degrees Celsius. That's my apple, guys, going in. So 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. I guess 30 minutes here. My apple is ready. Oh Lord. It is smelling so good, guys. Can you see it? It is smelling. My house is smelling delicious. So let's cut the pie and see kama tumepika majogorodoro ama. Okay, first of all, I used such a big pan. Just use a big pan. Okay. I don't even have the nicest thing, but it's good. It actually looks okay. So I'm just going to scoop. This is why I told you I'm not giving you a recipe. This is not a recipe. This is I was trying. This is called trying. Let's start. This is so good. I am baking and I'm trying. I've put all the ingredients that I need. I don't think this bowl will fit, but we'll see. So instead I'm gonna be using this bowl because I don't have a bigger mixing bowl. Bedsitter Chronicles, you all know by now. I need like 6 carrots from this recipe. I think I need 2 cups of flour, eggs. Like, I'll just give you that recipe. I think I'll just pin it in the screen because I'm just a beginner. I've never done carrot cake
and
before.
lots of ground cinnamon.
Also, I have cinnamon. Please don't ask why cinnamon is in the container of butter. I need to do better, but we move. This is how you know you are in an African home. How do you know things being put on random containers? Margarine. This is really margarine, guys. It's really margarine. Okay. Oh, and this is not in part of the ingredient, but I just needed to have a lemonade. I have made it. I think it's on this video. Weekly vlog. I'm just waiting for it to cool down. So let's start. I'm just gonna do I'm not going to grate this, guys. Let's not lie. I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna put you on. I look awful, by the way, but I'm turning on it. So guys, I'm going to put you here and just do a time lapse, okay?
Nobody say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a boss in a the thing so. Girl for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me feel wine. Say let me the pillow wine, say she give me feel my wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl you are what's in me brain.
So guys, I have already done everything. The only thing that's remaining is for me to mix the liquids, the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. So what I'm supposed to do is do it in 3 portions. What I'm supposed to do is do in 3 portions into this liquid, but now I don't have a big thing, so this is what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna ace it. and hope for the best. Oh, I've remembered I have a basin, but I don't want to wash. Hmm? I'm gonna use my oh shit. I'm going to add until it disappears, so it'll come back later. So I'll put the recipe on the screen, or let me just do it right now in case I forget. This is the ingredients, like the ingredients. Hope you can see the ingredients, because I am not teaching you how to do it, because I'm I'm learning too. So that's the ingredients, everything you need. So yeah, for the incredible moist cake. It's my first time, so we'll be back shortly when I've have a cool mix. Tell me why in the better side you seem like you never have everything, like no. So I have to mix it like I'm cooking ugali, by the way. I don't want to have these lumps. Next time we'll come back. We're trying, right? Now I've tried and mixed it vizuri. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add the carrots that I grated, and I'm hoping this is the last stage. I don't have raisins or anything like that, but I just substitute. You have to the recipe said you grate, but me I just blended because I don't have that time, guys. I've been postponing to make this cake Lord knows how long, but today I particular. So I'm just gonna mix it. This is the part where you mix your. I'll just link the nini. If I remember. Guys, don't be like me, okay? Just follow the instruction. I have bigger bowls, but I promise watch every ad on this video and I'll buy a bigger pan. Okay, I'm just starting live. Oh, and it's hard. Oh, I'm lucky I'm even making coconut. But yeah, I need to make another bread. I need to buy the pans first. Watch all the ads, like this video, share. Okay, so I can buy kitchen equipments. Oh no, it's over spoiling. I need to transfer this thing. Wait.
Oh man, we love that batter. Divide the batter between the prepared cake pans and bake in a 350-degree oven until the tops of the cake layers are springy when touched. About 40.
I need to transfer this because I'm wasting my batter while I'm gonna watch apple. So I already oiled this thing. Okay guys, this is not a tutorial. As you can see, I'm struggling too. I think this is a how many inch? They are using 2 pans, but I'm just gonna use one. Thank God this one is in a fit. I am struggling. So I'm gonna go visit Solange. So I'm gonna take the cake to her. So it says we cook on a 380 degrees Celsius. I will come back, okay? That is my batter. I feel mine is more watery because I had to add water when I was blending because I don't have a juicer. Okay, I feel like I'm wasting this. I feel like I need to comb all of this. I feel like I'm wasting it. So you don't need to see that. And I'm cleaning as I'm going because I had a dirty kitchen. The recipe says that I need to bake it for 40 minutes on a 350 degrees Celsius, but we have Celsius. Yes, so I'm gonna bake it at 180 degrees Celsius. It's 9-inch baking pan, and yeah, just gonna wait for it for 40 minutes. In we go. And here is the dirty dishes that I need to start washing. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna do a time lapse, and then okay, at least I've cleared the thingy, the whatever. And I'm so happy with this table mat. I won't be burning the countertop. So yeah, okay, let me put you on a time lapse as I
Let's have a good time, baby. I'ma make you sweat.
and voila, I have finished everything. So the plan is to always have a small rack, so that that's why I've rinsed them, let them dry in the here on the bar. I don't know what I'm saying, but guys, hey, pray for me that this week I end up like making my hair, because I have no, I'm even focusing, I have no desire to be in front of the camera. Anyway guys, I hope you're liking this weekly vlog. Let's wait for our cake. Okay guys, we'll see you when my cake is ready. Oh yes, oh yes, it's looking promising. Okay, so I see why they say that if you are using a larger pan and they're using one pan, you need to give it, I feel like it's not ready yet, but it's looking kind of good. So I'm gonna give it, it's not ready, you see, until it's it's clean. When you poke it, that's when it's gonna be ready. I feel like I should return 10 minutes. The cake is smelling so nice. I've added the 10 minutes, so it's like I've done it for 40 minutes. So I'm hoping this cake will be ready, because it is smelling so good. It is smelling delicious. Yeah. I think I should let it mehiva. Oh my god, it's looking so good, guys. Let me zoom in. It is looking so good. I am so amazed at myself. I'm going to definitely share the recipe on the description box, because now I was unsure about myself, but everything is delicious. I have to share in my WhatsApp, and I think I should let it rest in there. Hey, this recipe is from inspiredtaste.net. Hey, this is good. I am amazed by this. I have to share it on my Instagram, guys. You have to follow me on Instagram, by the way. Your cake is done. I need to call my sisters. Let me share a photo. So you need to let the cake rest for 15 minutes, which is really hard, guys, because you're just there unatamani. Yeah? Uko there unatamani. It's not easy being me. So I've changed the camera, by the way. How do you see my new my lens, yani, not cameras. Okay. Lots of ice cubes already in today's video. I used the normal local flame oil. I need a pay raise, vlogging and preparing food. Have you seen that? Wait. It looks good. It looks pretty. It is. We need to like love ourselves And then this is so good. Looks pretty. We have to make ourselves look pretty, feel nice. Actually, I need to show you. I think it has. I think. Huh? So nilifikiria what is this for then? I thought I'm going to unlock it and pull up. Hmm? Oh yeah, I've got it. So it's like that, my dear. Yes, it is like that. Imetoka. Okay, niliona watu wanakata from hivi. Of course, if I had a taster, it would be Solange. But now I am here alone and I need new plates. I need white plates that would match. Oh, here it is. It is moist. It is nice. I just love it. So with this is very good and very moist, not dry. Oh, so good. Cheers to the good life. Guys, if you try this method, let me know. Let me know if you try this method. This is actually so good, guys. It is very good. Maybe if you don't like sugar, I can stay, because I only used 1 cup of sugar and it's still so sugary. So I'll suggest you lower the sugar. Wow, this is so good. Wow. I need to take an Instagram picture. If I can't take an Instagram picture, did it even happen? No. I'm taking this cake, by the way, to my sister's tomorrow. That's why I cooked a bigger one, and I'll forever cook a bigger one because they love cake. So, and we are 5 of us. There's Solan, there's Ella, there's Nana, and then there's Judy and Amy and me. So 6 of us. This cake is enough. A slice each of us. So, oh Lord, this is very good.